Growing African lilies, agapanthus, from seeds can be a rewarding gardening experience. But it does require patience, as these plants can take some time to establish and bloom from seed. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to grow African lilies from seed. 1. Gather supplies. Agapanthus seeds. Seed starting mix or well-draining potting soil. Seed trays or small pots. Plastic wrap or a clear plastic dome. Grow lights or a bright, indirect light source. Watering can with a fine spray nozzle. Heat mat, optional. 2. Seed collection and preparation. African lily seeds can be collected from mature plants, or you can purchase them from a reputable seed supplier. 3. Soil preparation. Use a well-draining seed starting mix or a potting mix with added perlite or sand to improve drainage. Fill seed trays or small pots with the prepared soil. 4. Sowing the seeds. Sow the agapanthus seeds on the surface of the soil. Don't bury them, simply press them gently into the soil to ensure good contact. 5. Watering. Water the seeds gently using a fine spray nozzle on your watering can. Ensure the soil is consistently moist but not waterlogged. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely. 6. Covering and providing heat, optional. You can cover the seed tray with a clear plastic dome or plastic wrap to create a mini greenhouse effect. This helps retain moisture and maintain a stable temperature. Place the tray in a warm location or on a seedling heat mat to encourage germination. Agapanthus seeds typically germinate best at temperatures around 70-75 F, 21-24 C. 7. Germination. Germination can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, so be patient. Once seedlings emerge, remove the cover to prevent mold and encourage air circulation. 8. Transplanting. When the seedlings have grown large enough to handle, typically with a couple of sets of true leaves, transplant them into individual pots filled with potting soil. Space the seedlings at least an inch apart. 9. Continued care. Continue to provide bright, indirect light. Agapanthus seedlings can be sensitive to direct sunlight when young. Water the seedlings regularly to keep the soil evenly moist. Fertilize with a diluted, balanced liquid fertilizer every 2-4 weeks during the growing season. 10. Outdoor planting, optional. After the last frost date in your area, you can transplant the agapanthus seedlings into your garden. Choose a sunny or partially shaded location with well-draining soil. 11. Patience and growth. It can take a few years for agapanthus plants to mature and produce their first blooms from seed. Be patient and continue to care for your plants as they grow. With the right care and attention, your agapanthus seedlings will develop into beautiful plants with striking clusters of flowers. Remember that growing plants from seed can be a slower process compared to propagating from established plants. But the satisfaction of nurturing them from seed to bloom is truly rewarding.